Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize WP forms using Plus add-ons for Elementor. This is a powerful way to make your contact forms, registration forms, or any other forms on your WordPress site look exactly how you want them to, giving you full control over their appearance and layout. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select Add Page. This will create a new blank page where we can build out our customized form. After your new page is created, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click it. This opens up the Elementor editor, which is where all the design magic happens. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, direct your attention to the Widgets panel on the left side of your screen. This panel contains all the building blocks you can use to construct your page. In the search bar at the top of the Widgets panel, type in WP Forms. This will filter the available widgets and bring up the WP Forms widget. Once you see it, simply drag the WP Forms widget onto your page canvas where you want your form to appear. This places the form element directly into your design, ready to be customized. With the WP Forms widget now on your page, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll notice a panel on the left side with various tabs and options. Switch to the Style tab. This is where the real customization begins. Here you can customize your input fields in several ways. One of the easiest methods is to choose from pre-designed themes that come with Plus add-ons. These themes give your forms a polished, professional look with just a single click, saving you time while maintaining a high-quality appearance. Next, click on the Advanced tab to access even more customization options. Within this tab, look for the width setting in the sub-down menu. Click on it and select Custom from the drop-down options. This allows you to manually adjust the width of your form by dragging a slider or entering a specific value. If you prefer not to use custom sizing, you also have the option to align your form to start, center, or end, depending on how you want it positioned on your page. These alignment options give you flexibility in layout and help your form fit seamlessly into your overall page design. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your WP forms using Plus add-ons for Elementor, giving your forms a professional and personalized look that matches your website's style. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.